Rare combat footage of an FGM-148 Javelin destroying a Russian BM-21 rocket launching system has emerged from the Ukrainian battlefield. Although we cannot independently verify the authenticity of the video, the images demonstrate the intended use and celebrated effectiveness of the Javelin system. In the footage, a Ukrainian operator kneels, takes aim, and fires. The Javelin missile launches from the command launch unit, climbs at a sharp angle, and disappears from sight. Several seconds later, the missile descends from above, atop the Russian B-21, causing the Russian vehicle to explode. The FGM-148 Javelin, or Advanced Anti-Tank Weapon System Medium, is an American-made portable anti-tank missile. The Javelin has been in service for nearly 3 decades after making its debut in 1996. The system was a welcome improvement over its predecessor, the M47 Dragon, which relied on a wire-guided system to track a target. The wire-guided system was troublesome because it required operators to stay put while a spool of wire unraveled between the missile and the operator, allowing the missile to track the target. The M47 Dragon operator was essentially tethered to the deployed missile. By contrast, the Javelin uses an automatic infrared guidance system, which tracks the infrared light emission from a target. The infrared guidance is a fire-and-forget system, meaning the operator doesn't have to sit tight while the missile tracks its target. Instead, the operator can fire the Javelin and get the hell out of harm's way. The Javelin can be operated with 2 distinct flight profiles. The first, depicted in the video footage, is a top attack, a setting that allows for the Javelin to attack armored vehicles from above, where their armor is typically the thinnest. In top attack mode, the Javelin missile climbs sharply after launching, reaching a peak altitude of 490 feet. The second mode, direct attack, is ideal for use against fortifications, helicopters, or targets hiding beneath some form of obstruction. In direct attack mode, the missile reaches a peak altitude of 200 feet. In either mode, the missile launches with a soft launch. In a soft launch, the missile ejects from the launcher before the motors ignite, making it harder for enemies to identify the launcher's location. Whether attacking from above or from head-on, the Javelin delivers a high-explosive anti-tank warhead. The heat warhead is a shaped charge, which is a form of explosive that focuses the effect of the explosion's energy. In the case of the heat warhead, the shape is designed to penetrate armor. To achieve this effect, the heat warhead has an explosive charge that collapses a metal liner located within the warhead, creating a high-velocity superplastic jet. The superplast jet is what penetrates the armor. Curiously, penetration is achieved through kinetic effect, meaning there is no explosive or incendiary sequence initiated upon impact. The heat warhead and the Javelin system have proven very capable, as the new footage suggests. Nearly 24 countries operate the Javelin system worldwide, including, of course, the Ukraine. Beginning in 2018, Ukraine has received several thousand Javelin systems from the US and NATO. Now, staving off Russian advances, the Ukrainians have used the Javelin to kill hundreds of Russian tanks and thousands of Russian armored vehicles. Actually, the Javelin has become a symbol of the Ukrainian resistance. An image nicknamed Saint Javelin, which shows Mary Magdalene launching a Javelin missile, gained traction on social media. Yet, while the Javelin's performance has been impressive thus far, long-term supply concerns are emerging. The Center for Strategic and International Studies notes that the US has already used 1/3 of its Javelin missiles to aid Ukraine. But the US lacks the production capacity to replenish the lent Javelins. And since Russian tanks outnumber the number of Javelin missiles available, the Javelin may soon be in short supply. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.